Welcome back to the channel where we help you buy smart, not dumb. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop. On the left, we have the Shark. It's got a professional title, so you know it means business. And on the right, we have the Kenmore, the 2-in-1 wonder that's ready to clean everything from floors to your embarrassing collection of action figures. Let's get steamy. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark will set you back $149, while the Kenmore is a steal at just $89. Reviewers rave about the Kenmore being affordable and a great value for the features it offers. Meanwhile, while some Shark users appreciate its quality, they also acknowledge the higher price point, often joking about the Shark being multifunctional enough to double as a doorstop. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty: cleaning power. The Shark claims to blast steam out of the edges in about 30 seconds, and many reviewers highlight its effectiveness in removing dirt and even grease from kitchen cabinets. On the other hand, the Kenmore guarantees it removes 99.9% of dust, with users impressed by its cleaning capabilities on various surfaces. Though some find its single steam jet design less effective for disinfecting. It seems both mops excel in their own right, but the Kenmore might edge out slightly in versatility. Both mops promise chemical-free cleaning, but the Kenmore goes a step further. Reviewers appreciate that it's safe for all types of floors, while the Shark is primarily recommended for hard floors. Customers often mention how much they love the Shark's ability to sanitize without harsh chemicals, but some warn that it's not suitable for carpets, making the Kenmore the more versatile option for various floor types. Now, let's talk versatility. The Kenmore is a 2-in-1 steam mop, which means it can also clean appliances, window seals, and even your pet's toys. Reviewers love this feature, emphasizing its multifunctional use. Meanwhile, the Shark is praised for its performance, but is more limited in scope, often compared to a friend who only wants to hang out in one spot. Users recommend the Kenmore for those looking for a more adaptable cleaning solution. And, speaking of accessories, the Kenmore comes with a bristle tool, angle tool, and more, making it like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. Reviewers rave about the variety of attachments that enhance its cleaning capabilities. The Shark, however, has a pocket for storage, which some users find less helpful for actual cleaning tasks. If you want tools to aid your cleaning, the Kenmore clearly takes the win here. Overall, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is praised for its effectiveness and ease of use, with many loyal customers returning for repeat purchases. However, some users express concerns about its price and limitations on certain surfaces. The Kenmore SM2050, on the other hand, garners appreciation for its affordability, lightweight design, and versatility. Although some reviewers mention issues with steam production and a short cord. Both products have their strengths, but the Kenmore seems to be the fan favorite for those looking for a budget-friendly, multifunctional option. So there you have it, folks. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is a solid option if you want to look fancy while cleaning, but the Kenmore SM2050 is the true MVP. Versatile, affordable, and ready to tackle anything you throw at it. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this showdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next battle of the products. Stay smart, stay clean, and remember, buy smart, not dumb. Until next time.